So this one has a vacuum leak. So we're using a smoke machine. Throttle body. So we found this vacuum leak from the air intake, and I use electrical tape to plug it up. See where this one is. So you can't see it because it's going underneath the car. But right here is the vacuum leak. So there's a lot of oil over there. So it's throwing up P1172, P1101 codes at me. And then the vacuum leaks down there. So using this hyper smoke to find it. These adapters I got from Amazon. This adapter went in here to find this one. Chevy 2018 Cruz. We already cleaned up the throttle body, changed the spark plugs. What's that?